Identifying the most effective generative AI solutions, particularly those using retrieval-augmented generation, is a complex challenge for businesses across all industries, whether healthcare, finance, retail, biopharma, or any other. This video will guide you through the critical steps to finding the right RAG-powered GenAI solutions that align with your specific business needs, ensuring optimal results tailored to your industry. Let's first understand how RAG works with Gen AI models. RAG combines the power of generative AI models with the retrieval mechanism to produce more accurate and relevant responses. Instead of relying solely on the model's pre-trained knowledge, RAG retrieves specific information from external databases or documents to enhance the generated output. For example, in healthcare, RAG can pull up the latest medical research papers to provide evidence-based answers, while in finance, it can retrieve real-time stock data to generate up-to-date market analysis. This combination ensures that the AI's responses are well-informed and contextually relevant to the task. Here are the steps explained in detail later to find the best GenAI RAG solutions. Start with defining objectives. You collect data and analyze data. Choose the right frameworks, select AI models, integrate retrieval mechanism, tune hyperparameters, track metrics, ensure security. Let's dive into each of these steps now. Before diving into the technology, you must clearly define the problem you want GenAI to solve in your industry. As a first step, let's talk about your industry-specific objectives. Every industry has unique needs. For example, use GenAI to summarize patient records or research papers in healthcare. It could help improve customer service or generate insights for finance modeling. For retail, it can personalize product recommendations or create marketing content. Next up, you need to check your data availability and structure. RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation again, depends heavily on pulling relevant data before generating AI-driven responses. So ask yourself, do I have access to the right data sources? Can I integrate real-time data if needed? Is my data structured like financial reports or unstructured like research papers or emails? Once you have identified relevant data and structure, you will need to evaluate and select RAG frameworks to help you build your solution. There are many RAG frameworks to choose from, like Haystack, perfect for retrieving and summarizing documents, FAQs, or reports. OpenAI GPT with LangChain, great for combining powerful language models with custom retrieval systems, perfect for industries like finance or law. Llama Index. This makes connecting external knowledge sources for scalable solutions easy, especially with large datasets. The next step is to choose the right AI model, which is important. For instance, GPT-4o is great for generating coherent, creative text and is widely used in many industries. BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, is an advanced language model designed to understand the context of words in a sentence by analyzing them in both directions, left to right and right to left. This makes it highly effective for processing technical documents where understanding the exact meaning of terms within a specific context is critical. BERT excels at tasks like question answering and document classification because it can capture nuances and deliver more precise, contextually accurate responses. When fine-tuning parameters such as learning rate or model depth, you can further optimize BERT to improve its performance on complex technical content. Once you have chosen your model, it's time to integrate it with RAG. Ensure your data retrieval system can pull in relevant documents, then feed that information to your AI model to generate accurate, insightful responses. For example, a research tool in biopharma might pull up recent studies, and the AI could then summarize those findings in seconds. Once you've selected your AI model, it's essential to experiment with hyperparameters. These settings control how the model learns and makes predictions. Think of them like dials. You can adjust to fine-tune how the AI processes information and generates the best and most accurate responses. For example, adjusting parameters like learning rate or batch size can help the model perform better in different scenarios. For example, in a CMC, chemistry, manufacturing and control lab, adjusting the temperature during a chemical synthesis process can significantly impact the quality and properties of the final product. For instance, increasing the temperature might speed up a reaction, potentially leading to higher yields and increasing the chance of impurities. On the other hand, lowering the temperature might slow the reaction down, giving more control over the process and resulting in a more refined and purer product. The ability to fine-tune these parameters allows scientists to either optimize for maximum efficiency or focus on creating a more precise, high-quality compound, depending on the specific goals of the lab. The most critical step in following all these steps is evaluating the GenAI solution. How do you know your GenAI solution is working well? You can measure success with specific evaluation metrics like how accurate is the information being retrieved, how relevant is the AI-generated response, and in time-sensitive industries like finance, how fast can the system respond? And finally, remember security and compliance. This is especially important in healthcare and finance, where regulations like HIPAA and GDPR apply. Your solution needs to keep data secure and comply with these standards. By following these steps, defining your objectives, evaluating data, choosing the proper RAG framework, and fine-tuning your model, you will find your organization's best GenAI and RAG solution.